Alright guys, I just woke up, right? This is 5 a.m. in the morning, as you can see right here, 5 a.m. in the morning. So I'm going to be placing my first trade because I just saw setup and this is currently the Asia session. I'm going to be placing my first trade this morning, though it's already late. I'm already late on this entry, right? It's supposed to be a kind of sniper entry. You can see from around this line right here. This is where I'm supposed to enter my trade, right? Well, I'm late on this one, right? So I'll be entering from somewhere here, right? Now risking 94 pips on this one. So let's see how it goes. So let's just see how it goes. I'm going to be placing the trade on a demo account. Note it's a trial account. I'm only for testing my strategy. So let's go. Right, here's my MT5, right? I'll place the trade right now with 0.1. Okay, I just placed the trade right now. As you can see, it's a trial account, guys. I just deposited $10,000, so I'll be using this trial account, right? And as you can see, 30 trades challenge, right? 30 trades challenge. So I'm just going to place my stop loss right below here. I'm risking just 1% on this account. Yeah, that's over $100. Alright, that's it. Let's see how this trade plays, right? I'm just going to stay out of the chart and let's see how the trade plays, guys. Alright, this is the trade I entered earlier, right? As you can see, we are currently in profit right now. I'm in profit, so let's see how this trade plays. Initially, I'm supposed to target 2.5 hour on this trade, but I'm going to be holding this trade and see how long we can hold this, right? Though, when I get some good profits, I'm going to be closing partials, right? I'm going to be closing partials. So let me show you on my MT5, guys. Alright, okay, here's my MT5. Alright, this is the trade on my MT5, right? As you can see, the buy trade, right? This is it. So it's a trial account. Like I said, it's a 30-day 30 trades challenge. So it's a trial account. This is my first trade 1, day 1. So let's go, guys. Today is Tuesday, which is the second day of the challenge, the 30 trades challenge, right? So I just saw a setup, right, and I took this trade on good, a buy setup on good right now. So I'm currently in a buy. I just bought right now. As you can see, I'm going to be sharing this to my Telegram channel right now. So let's see how this trade is going to play. Let's see how this trade is going to play. Meanwhile, this was yesterday's trade, which I closed 1:3R. As you can see, this was where I closed yesterday trade, though I was still holding on a personal account, right? So that's that for that. And yesterday, the second day, day 2. Let's see how it goes. Meanwhile, I'm journaling every trade, right? I'm journaling every trade. So let me show you on my MT5. So right here, this is the trade I just took right now. Let me put the stop loss where it's supposed to be risking $100. Right, so stop loss sets to make $300. Simple as that. That's it. So let's see how this trade plays. Let me take a screenshot. Okay, better like this. Okay, that will be a screenshot for today's journal, right? So it is what it is. Meanwhile, let me share this to my Telegram community. So I just shared the trade to my Telegram community. As you can see, this is the community right here. I just shared the trade there. So let's see how this trade is going to play. Well, I'm going to keep you guys updated. And also, if you want to know, or if you want to get every details of the trade I place and how to know some certain reasons, right? I used to place trade, right? The Telegram link, the Telegram channel link is in the description of this video. Check it out if you want to join. So it's completely free, guys. It's completely free. So click the link in the description of this video to join the Telegram community. All right, so I'll keep you guys updated. All right, guys, as you all know, I started a challenge and I took a trade today. I just took an L on gold right now. Yesterday was a win, day 2 was loss. Let me show you guys. All right, here's the trade. As you can see, here's the trade I just took earlier this morning. Right now, this trade just hits my stop loss, right? $100 loss. So let me quickly show you on my MT5. Same with yesterday trades. Here's my MT5, right? I think it is kind of a personal account. All right, here's the account. Here's my MT5. So as you can see, the balance is 10,200. So let me show you yesterday's trade. This is yesterday's trade. As you can see, I won this trade. Yesterday's trade was a win, $300. I'm targeting 3R, risking $100 per trade, right? So right here, as you can see, this is the sell. This is the buy today. This is the buy today, and I took a loss on this trade. Yeah, it is $100 loss. So it is what it is, guys. I'm done for the day. So let's see how it's gonna be tomorrow. I'll keep you guys updated. Very early in the morning. This is 3:55 a.m. right? I'm buying gold already, risking $100. And as you can see, I entered late too. I'm supposed to enter sniper entry from here, right? Yeah. So it's supposed to be a sniper entry from around this point, but though I entered late now after this bullish candle, it's kind of a confirmation for me. So it is what it is. So let's see how it goes. This is 300 pips. This will be $300. So I'm targeting $300 on this one. So let's see how this trade plays, guys. Let's see how it plays. I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, guys, I took a trade, and as you can see, this trade is a loss. Today is day 3 of the challenge, and I took another loss, right? So I was anticipating buys throughout this week, so that's the reason I took this loss right here. Okay, this was where I entered from, right? As you can see, this was where I entered from. So price reacted to a zone which I was seeing initially. I was seeing that zone, the sell zone, but based on my directional bias, I was anticipating buys for this week, and due to that, I took an L. And also, there's something I did. Because I entered this trade late, I entered somewhere around there, so my stop loss was still around here. That made my stop loss kind of bigger, right? Though I calculated from year to year $100, but when I entered, it was here, so I had to enter with that same lot size. But this time I was risking $150, right? So I lost $150 on this trade. I went against my rule, but it is what it is. Though I'm still applying proper risk management. Just went a little bit against my risk management rule, right? So right now I'm just watching the chart. I'm just watching the chart though. So let's see how it's gonna do, how gold is gonna play. But meanwhile, I'm not trading today till tomorrow, and meanwhile this week is NFP week. That's why the market is kind of slow and manipulative, right? So let's see how it's gonna be. Let me show you the trade on my MT5. All right, here's the account, and as you can see, this was the first trade, which was $300. Second trade, $100. Third trade, $150. This is the 3 trade I've taken, right? I've taken 3 trades, and as you can see, all was stop loss and TP, right? I have not closed anyone manually, either TP or stop loss, right? As you can see, my available balance right now is $10,046. So it is what it is. No, it's a demo account, 30 trades challenge. It is what it is. So meanwhile, I'll be anticipating sales, right? Because the buyers actually changed. So I'll be anticipating sales tomorrow. So let's just see how it's going. It's currently past 4, almost 5, right? And I saw this buy setup, so I'm gonna, or rather, I already set a buy limit, right? As you can see, I set a buy limit already, so I'll just wait for it to play out. Right, $300. So that's been set. Let me show you the chart on TradingView. All right, here's my TradingView. As you can see, this year I'm anticipating to go long on, right? So the few days I've been buying, right? I've been buying gold, and I've been taking loss, right? So as you can see, this was where I was initially waiting for price to come to before I start looking for buys, right? Meanwhile, I said I was going to be looking for sells, but unfortunately, price did not reach there, and price is already giving bullish signs. All right, and as you can see, I think supplies are getting exhausted, right? Supplies are getting exhausted, so that's why I'm looking for buy right now. Price is creating demand right now. As you can see, price fails to break this low right here. Right now, price push came back here. This was where I bought yesterday from. So price came back down here, reject, came back here again and reject. So you can see price is creating demand at this level, right? And supply failing. Supply is getting exhausted, right? Now this was the supply area. Price tapped in, and now price has broke above this structure right here. So as you can see, supply is getting exhausted and price is creating demand. So I should be expecting a bullish move right now. So it is what it is. Let's just wait for the setup and see how it plays. Anything can still happen, right? It's a 50-50 chance, right? That's why risk management is supposed to be applied, right? So remember, guys, it's a 30 trade challenge, no emotions attached, just precision, right? Once I see my setup, I take it. I don't need to think twice. All I need to do is just analyze the market the way I'm seeing it and take my setup. So that's it. Let's wait for this to play out and see the outcome. All right, guys, here's the trade I took earlier today, and as you can see, I'm in deep profit, guys. I'm in massive profit. All right, as you can see, I'm anticipating to buy from here, but according to my challenge, I'm just supposed to take one trade per day. So I don't think I'm going to buy. I'm just anticipating to see if it's going to respect that zone. So I'll just put my position 2 right there and see if it's going to respect it, right? Definitely, I know probably it's going to respect it. I believe in my strategy. I believe in this strategy, right? So this is what it is. Let me show you the trade on my MT5 so you see how much the profit is running right now. All right, as you can see, here is my MT5, right? This is the trade currently running $167, right? So this is the chart, and as you can see, I'm anticipating to go long. Not going long though. I'm anticipating for price to drop to this zone and come back, drop to this zone and start pushing upwards, right? Because we are currently entering the New York section, so price has to retrace to a zone. So this is the zone I'm anticipating to pull back, to push to the upside. All right, so that's that for that. As you all know, I've taken 2 losses on this account, 1 win, right? If this happens to be a win, then it will be 2 wins, 2 losses. All right, so let's go. The strategy is a banger. Yeah, not just the strategy, I changed so many things, right? I changed my mindset, I changed everything about me, the way I think, right? So yeah, welcome back. And as you can see, this trade I took yesterday, because it's currently the next day, the trade I took yesterday was a break-even trade. As you can see, price later reversed on me and stopped me out at break-even. This trade was already giving me 2.6 hour already, right? It was already giving me 2.6 hour, but I was initially targeting 3 hour, right? So price reversed and stopped me out at break even, right? So right now I'm selling good, right? I'm selling good up until this low. Though if it's giving me 3 hour already, I'm going to close, right? I think 3 hour is around this side right here. There's 3 hour, so I'm going to be closing right here, but gold is going to sell down to this point. Yeah, gold is gonna sell. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it plays, guys. Let's just see how it plays. I'll keep you guys updated. Meanwhile, I've already taken this trade on my MT5, so let me show you. As you can see, here's the trade on my MT5, right? So I'm selling gold right here. As you can see, we are currently in a drawdown, right? We're currently in a drawdown. This was yesterday's trade, break even, right? Break even trade. So far we've gotten 1 win, 2 loss, and 1 break even. Let's see how today is going to be. Today is day 5, Friday. Let's see how it's going. All right, guys. As you can see, here's my balance, right? $9,943. So the trade I took earlier today was loss, right? As you can see, I lost $103, right? $103, right? Now I'm currently in a drawdown of $56. All right. So it's indeed a good week. Yeah, it's a good week. I've learned a lot from my mistakes, right? And I'm going to improve next week. Note, I'm still strategizing, right? I'm still trying to master this strategy. This strategy is banger. Like it's massive. Yeah, this strategy is massive, right? So meanwhile, I've been trading the Asia section, right, lately, but right now I'm going to be trading the London section from next week. Starting from next week, I'll start trading the London section, right? Start trading the London section. So let's call it a week, guys. And I'm going to be ending this video right here. And note, please, if you want to join my Telegram channel, right, so that you can receive updates on the trades I take, most especially on this 30 trades challenge, right? The link is in the description down below, so check it out and join the Telegram group for updates.